What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Jeep remote head key fob. This key fob is going to be for the Jeep vehicles that do not have a push button start ignition, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using to do this is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our key and we hold it with the buttons facing down, and then we take a look at the one side, kind of down by the key blade, we see there's this little notch right here. So what I'm going to do is put my screwdriver in that notch and then just twist. So put the blade of your screwdriver in that notch and then twist. And as I do that, it pops that back of the shell up. Go ahead and pull that the rest of the way off. And then in the back piece, we see our battery right here. And you can use the screwdriver just to help get under the edge of it in this little cutout. Get the old battery out. We'll grab our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down. Snap that into that little holder like that. And then we'll just put this back piece on. And that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.